Welcome to our tutorial on how to show the trash label in Gmail on your PC. If you want to easily access and manage your deleted emails, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. At the top of the screen, click on Settings. It is represented by a gear icon. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. This will open the Gmail settings page. Step 4. On the top menu of the settings page, click on Labels. This will display all the labels associated with your Gmail account. Step 5. Locate the trash label and click on Show next to it. This will enable the display of the trash label in your Gmail sidebar, allowing you to easily access and manage your deleted emails. By showing the trash label in Gmail, you can keep track of your deleted emails and restore them if needed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage.